Should I buy or sell Nvidia? The report for Nvidia was first published on our website Tuesday, January 10, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 22, 2022, our system ranks Nvidia as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.295. In this period, the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 3.72%. This is an average return of 0.31% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, "Green Day on Tuesday for Nvidia." The Nvidia stock price gained 1.8% on the last trading day, Tuesday, January 10, 2023, rising from $156.28 to $159.09. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.17% from a day low at $154.72 to a day high of $159.62. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -12 million shares, and in total, 38 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.10 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $289.46, and the lowest price was $108.13. Right now the price is 45.04%, or $130.37, below 52-week high, and 54.08%, or $187.38, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $346.47. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 25.89% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 14.39% and 52.09%. The 12-month trend indicates a -41.85% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -69.63% and -37.20%. This equals a price between $48.32 and $99.92 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, December 19, 2022, Needham set price target to 230. On Thursday, December 15, 2022, HSBC set price target to 136. On Friday, December 9, 2022, Tigris Financial set price target to 250. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Needham set price target to 200. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Raymond James set price target to 190. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Nvidia. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Nvidia stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $159.46. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $149.06. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 13, 2022, and so far it has fallen -11.97%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $132.19 and $119.67. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $132.19. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $119.67 and $119.60. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.90 between high and low, or 3.17%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.68%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 39.85. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 15, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.480. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $162.58. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $132.19, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On December 21, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 1,400 of common stock. On December 21, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 58,600 of common stock. On December 20, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside buy of 659,305 of common stock. On December 20, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 659,305 of common stock. On December 19, 2022, Dabry John made an inside sell of 293 of common. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -19.426. In total, the insiders bought 3,740,244 and sold 5,728,922 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Nvidia stock a buy? The Nvidia stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Nvidia will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 11th, we expect Nvidia to open down -$1.28 and start trading at $157.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to